do these two because I'm going to move down to, well, I guess it's 1 and 3, but I'm going to move down to 2 and 4 in a second. What do you mean? No, 26, 113. 43, 109, 4x plus 8. I heard. It's kind of crazy. All right, here's number 2 and 4. Well, you can still finish that. You have it down. All right, do 2 and 4. Well, okay, this is 3 and 4 then. I'm not. Is that 9x minus or plus? Minus. You said 9x minus 4, 5x plus 4. Mm-hmm. Just bring his card tomorrow in class. You can hand it out. 96. Yeah, can you say the numbers? 16x 69. Okay. Which one am I doing? Oh, okay, where's your calculator? Also, why are you eating? All right, Adam, let's turn face forward today. Where's your notes? Just get a piece of paper. As long as you're doing it. All right, we're talking, so I'm assuming we're done. All right. Then let's stay quiet unless we're talking about math. I hate that question. We haven't even been in class for 5 minutes and you're already asking? It's been. Oh, wait, okay, so you add those two and that equals that, right? Oh my gosh. Oh. All right, let's go back and look at 1 and 3. Okay? When solving for 1, what do the interior angles of a triangle equal? Whoa, no. 180. So what do we need to do? All right, let's cut it out. Okay? What is x going to be? Do we all get 41? All right, what about number 2? What did we get for x? All get 5? Okay, well, this number 3 then. This one. Well, all right, let's go down to number 2. What do we get for number 2? 6. Okay, is that what it asks though? It says find the measure of the smallest angle. What's the smallest angle? 34 degrees, okay? Then finally on 4, how do I set this one up? 53. Thank you. That's how I set it up? Yep. No. How do I set it up? Yeah, our remote interior angles add up to equal the exterior angle. Okay, so this plus this equals this. All right, so we get x equals. No. Oh. I mean, that's fine. This is easier. Well, that's fine as well. All right, let's listen, okay? These are going to be new. So, this is what we're going to be dealing with today. If I can zoom in. Oh my gosh. There we go. Adam, I don't want to tell you again. Okay? I know, you need to sit forward. Move your chair up. Okay? All right, this is what we're dealing with today. Okay? It's going to be pretty much the same thing that we did on Friday, but these are going to be word problems. Okay? So on this one, it says triangle CDE. Okay, so when you have triangle CDE, let's go ahead and just draw a triangle. Okay, we're going to mark it CDE. I probably should have made it bigger. Okay, it says angle C equals 5x plus 5. Angle D equals 3x minus 16. Angle E equals 4x minus 1. Okay, we need to find the measure of angle E. How am I going to set this up? Yeah, I need, since they're all the interior angles, I'm going to add them all up and equal them to 180. This was not on the homework yet. Minus. So add the x's together and we get 12x. What about when we combine our other like terms? We get what? Negative 12 equals 180. What do we got to do now? Add 12. So we have 12x equals 192. What's 192 divided by 12? All right, is that our answer? No, because what do we have to find? We have to find angle E, so we got to plug it into our value. So 4 times 16 minus 1. What's 4 times 16? 64. Minus 1? 60. All right, Julian, put it away. Okay, see what we did there? Seemed pretty easy? All right, go ahead and do this one for me. No. Not on these. On the next one, yes. Are these isosceles? What makes it isosceles? If there's two equal. Two equal angles or sides. Yeah, we'll do more of those tomorrow. Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. What? Do this problem, you guys, in that corner. Okay, then wait. Just wait. All right, Adam, tell me what you got for x. Okay, perfect. Okay, what do we get for measure of angle Q, Julian? What do we get for the angle? Okay, perfect. This is what you should have got. Okay, do we all get 74? Okay, so those are the ones for interior, okay? Then we have these. All right, and I need you to make sure you're listening here, okay? Because this is where people get confused. Adam, I don't want to say it again. Stay forward. Stop talking. Okay? All right, this is in triangle PQR. Okay, it says PR is extended through point R to point S. All right, then it gives us these angles. Okay, we need to find the measure of angle RPQ. All right, whenever we have these, this is when I would definitely recommend drawing out a triangle so you know what you're doing. Okay, so first thing that you need to do is it says in triangle PQR. So let's go ahead and just draw a triangle. Okay, and I'm going to put P here, Q. I'm going to put R here, okay? Here, I'm going to move my R, actually. Okay, so it says PR is extended through point R to point S. So we need to identify what side is our PR, okay? And that's going to be, just let me get there first, okay? So it says PR is extended through point X. When we have PR right here, okay, we're going to extend the line out and create a point S right here. Okay, so what angle did we just create? We create an exterior angle. Okay, so this is where we're going to deal with the exterior angles here. So now let's go ahead and put in our angles that we have. Okay, so it says RPQ is 3x plus 10. Okay, so I'm going to put 3x plus 10 here. Okay, because that's RPQ. QRS is 8x minus 16. So that's our exterior angle. All right, and then it says PQR is 3x plus 14. So PQR, that's this angle right here. And this is 3x plus 14. All right, so we have two interior angles and we have one exterior angle. Okay, so who can tell me how we can set this up in order to solve for x? So tell me the value. Oops, what the heck? Yep. So we need to do our interior angles added together. So 3x plus 10 plus 3x plus 14. And we're going to equal that to our exterior angle. Okay, so perfect. All right. So we need to combine our like terms. So 3x plus 3x is what? 6x. 10 plus 14 equals 8x minus 16. All right, let's go ahead. We'll subtract our 6x over. And we'll go ahead and just add the 16 over as well. Okay, so what do we get? We're not there yet. So 24 plus 16 equals 40. 8x minus 6x is 2x. Divide by 2 and we get x equals 20. All right, is that all we're doing? Yeah, we got to find RPQ. Okay, so we got to plug that in. So RPQ is 3x plus 10. So let's go ahead and plug in our x. So 3 times 20 plus 10, 60 plus 10, and we get 70 degrees. Okay? Biggest thing is I would always recommend drawing out that triangle, okay, so you know how to set this up, okay? Because if you don't put those variables in the correct place, okay, you're going to be wrong. All right, go ahead and solve this one on your own. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. This is how you should have drawn it. Who can tell me how to set this up? Someone else. Yeah. Yeah, so we need to do 3x plus 2 plus x plus 7 equals 6x minus 19. Okay, we combine our like terms. All right, when we solve, what should we get for x? All right, we got to plug it into ECD. So we plug it into ECD, we get 14 plus 7. So what do we get for the angle? Okay, 21 degrees. All right, do we have questions about this one? All right. All right, here's the last type of questions that we're going to talk about today. Okay? All right, on this one, we need to, it says, which of the following sets of numbers could not represent the three sides of a triangle? Okay? So what these values are saying is if we have triangles, okay, it's going to represent each side. So if this was A, I have 4, 9, and 10. Okay? But only one of these options can represent a triangle. Okay? And this is how. When we have triangles, okay, we need to figure out what the two smallest values are and what the largest value is. Okay, so if we look at A right here, okay, we have 4, 9, and 10. Okay, which are my smallest two numbers? 4 and 9. Okay, so you identify your two smallest numbers, you add them together. So what's 4 plus 9? 13. Okay, the two numbers added together have to be greater than the third number. Is 13 greater than 10? Okay, so this is a triangle. Okay, let's look at the next one. We have 4, 6, and 10. What's 4 plus 6? Is 10 greater than 10? So this is not a triangle. It can't be the same. Okay, what about 13 plus 26? Is 39 greater than 38? So this is a triangle. What about 15 plus 25? What is that? Is 40 greater than 38? Okay, so B would be my option here. All right, because it says not. You got to pay attention to when it says not and when it says which one can. Okay, so let's look at this one. This one says which one could represent. Okay, so don't say anything right now. Go ahead and look at it. Okay, don't say anything yet. They cannot be equal. Okay, so identify which one you think it is. All right, do we believe this one's A? No. B? Yeah, because 15 plus 24 is 39. That's greater than 38. Okay? This one, C would not work and D would not work. All right? Seem pretty simple on that? Okay? Those are the only problems that we're doing today. All right, I'll give you the rest of the time to work on homework.